Sat Shri Akal, welcome to Livasa Hospital, Mohali. A 230-bedded multi-speciality hospital where world-class care meets commitment. At Livasa, we care for life, where Asha never fades. Our mission is to provide clinical excellence to our patients through teamwork and dedication. From Punjab to patients across the globe, Livasa is where innovation meets intent to heal, to help, and to save lives. Let's take a look inside. Healing starts when you walk in, where every effort is dedicated to restoring lives and giving hope for tomorrow. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, world-class ICUs and specialty units, because it's not just about treatment, it's about giving life a new chance. We uphold the highest standards of care, from cardiology to neurosciences, oncology to orthopaedics, renal sciences to gastroenterology. Care here is more than medicine. Distance should never be a barrier. We offer seamless end-to-end care. Comfort matters in healing. Every detail is designed for you. That's why we reach out before illness does. Through our Swasth Punjab health camps, we spark stories of hope, prevention, and wellness. At Livasa, you're not just a patient, you're family.